in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up.
Hey cousin, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the fam. My name is Tata LaBoss. I am a single mom of 3 and a serial entrepreneur. And here on my channel, I like to just help and teach y'all how to do everything that I know how to do in the simplest way possible. So on today's video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make custom coloring books in Canva for the free 99. So let's get straight into it. So let's get straight into the video today, y'all. Today I will be showing y'all how to make a custom coloring book in Canva for free. Let's go. So again, the website that I will be using today is my favorite, of course, Canva. That's www.canva.com. So we're gonna start off by creating a design up here. I need it to be 7 by 8.5 inches. Now, the coloring book that I'm creating today is just a 4-page coloring book once you assemble it. So it's 2 pages front and back. We're going to start with the cover. The left side is going to be the back of the coloring book, and the right side is going to be the cover of the coloring book. I'm going to do an Easter theme. So I do have the pictures already uploaded. Now, as you can see, Canva basically, you see that line right there? It basically puts it so that it's half of the page. So I know that this half, again, that's the cover. That half right there, that's going to be the back of the coloring book. And it'll make a little more sense at the end if you don't get what I'm saying now. So on the front of the cover, I am just going to put Happy Easter 2023. I am going to go ahead and change the font. So let's see. I am going to go ahead and use this font here. That is perfect. I'm going to change the color of the font to green. And of course, if you know, you know, I love adding pictures. So I am going to add a picture. Okay, that is perfect. I love that. So now for the back of the coloring / activity book. So the message that I'm going to write on the back is going to say, I hope you had a great day. I think I'm going to go ahead and use an image as the background for the back cover. I'm going to go ahead and use this picture here. And I'm going to turn the transparency down a little bit just so the words show. And I am going to make the words, let's make the text pink. Let's see, I hope you had a great day. Yeah, that's perfect. And my daughters love Elsa, so I am going to go ahead and just add a picture of Anna and Elsa on here. Now I'm adding my second page. This will be the inside of the coloring book. I already uploaded these pictures and I will show you how I got these images. Now I do suggest using high quality images because the images that you use really do make a difference on how the coloring page turns out. I use a website called Mimi Panda. Just type in the website. It's mimi-panda.com. And this is the website you'll use to create the coloring page. It is very, very simple. All you do is upload the picture and drag it over and it will create that image for you. Again, you see that line showing you where the page is cut in half, just so you can keep that in mind while creating your design. I'm also going to show y'all how I would use Google to find like activity page or a coloring page. And I will just be going to Google and I will be typing in Easter coloring page. And there's so many different designs to choose from. I'm actually going to get a few of them. So I'm going to go ahead and download these images really quick. Okay, so let me go ahead and add this coloring page. And I'm going to go ahead and type Easter 2023 above this picture here. Okay, let me go ahead and add another page here. Again, like I said, I'm making a total of 2 pages front and back, so it will equal 4 total pages in Canva. So for this particular design, I'm going to add some text. I think I'm going to add color the circles. Let's see, color the circles red. And then I'm going to make the font red as well. So this is the website that I use to make the word search. It's called thewordsearch.com. And the title is going to be Easter 2023. And I'm going to go ahead and just type in some words I want my kids to find. Okay, so this is the word search. I'm going to go ahead and download that to my computer. I'm going to go ahead and crop the bottom of that out just because we don't want that on our picture. And I'm actually going to crop out that Easter 2023 because I don't like how it's to the left. Like, I want that to be centered. I do not like that at all. So this right here will do it. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my own Easter 2023 here. This still feel a little plain to me, so I'm going to go ahead and find another Easter-like image. Okay, this is really cute, y'all. I'm definitely using this. This is so cute. And y'all already know I'm removing the background. That is so cute. I love it. Let me scoot him over just a little bit right there. Okay, I love it. So here is the finished product, y'all. All you have to do is go right here and save it. Just download it. And if you don't know, over here I like to give y'all tips and tricks, not only how to make money but how to save money. So I use a subscription based printing service called HP Instant Ink, where I pay a certain amount every month and I have unlimited printing depending on how much I pay. If you would like 1 month free trial, I will leave the link in my description so you can try that out. Now I'm going to show y'all how I assemble this coloring book. So of course I'll be using my HP printer, and then I'm using the double-sided glossy photo paper. Now to print double-sided, you put the piece of paper in the printer the exact way it came out. Okay, so all you need is obviously the paper that you printed and a stapler. I do use this bag and then add a couple of crayons, but that is optional. So my battery did die, but if you made it this far and the video was helpful, please drop a comment and let me know if you will be attempting this project. Before you leave, please make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. See you soon, cousin. Bye.